Welcome to my grocery haul.
My goal this year was to cook more dinners at home, so that's what we're doing. We have a somewhat big grocery haul. Honestly, living with a man, your groceries do not last long. So yeah, here it is. This is something that we get usually within the week, depending on what we're making for dinner. I got lots of protein. He loves his steak. Lots of fruit because I love making smoothie bowls. I'm also very picky when it comes to my fruit, so I have to do the picking. I can't have any marks on my fruit. And lots of veggies. I'm gonna be making a Jamaican pumpkin soup this week, so that's what I got, and I wanted to try this coconut. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna be posting what I eat in a day, so come back for that.